Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to turn on captions on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app or website and play the video where you want captions. Look for the CC closed caption icon at the top or bottom of the video player. Tap on the CC icon to enable captions. If you want to change the caption language, go to the video settings and select Subtitles then choose your preferred language. That's it. Captions are now turned on, making it easier to follow the content. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.